nga ba ang Taipei Unlimited Fun Pass? Here's all you need to know and more. Don't forget to watch till the end because I'll be sharing our actual itinerary and a lot of tips para masulit ito. So, ano nga ba ang Taipei Unlimited Fun Pass? It's an all-in-one pass issued by the Taipei city government. It functions both as a transportation pass and attractions ticket. Isang card lang, unlimited rides na sa MRT, buses, and tourist shuttles. At may free access pa sa top tourist spots like Taipei 101, Shifen, Jufen, and 30 other more. With freebies pa. Mas makakamura versus buying tickets one by one. First, purchase your Fun Pass at Klook. You can see the link below. Don't forget to use my promo code for additional discounts. You have 3 options, yung 1-day, 2-day, or 3-day pass. Tip ko lang guys, plan your day, start early, and check attraction hours. We stayed 3 days at Taiwan. Arrival was around lunchtime, and our departure was around 4 p.m. on the 3rd day. Instead of getting a 3-day pass, ang kinuha namin is yung 2-day Fun Pass instead. Kasi our hotel was at Ximending, and all we planned to do then was to go around the area and buy pasalubongs. Tapos around lunchtime, kailangan na namin pumuntang airport. So, we won't really need the Fun Pass that time. Ang paggagamitan lang namin was the MRT from Ximending to Taipei main station. And that costs around 35 pesos only versus getting a 3-day Fun Pass na may additional hundreds pa. So again, it's really important to plan your itinerary. Each person needs to have a Fun Pass. Pagdating sa airport after immigration, on the left side, doon nyo makikita yung kiosk. And makukuha nyo agad yung pass. You'll get a card and a booklet that contains the map of Taipei and all the attractions you can go to and the list of freebies na pwede nyong makuha. And meron stamp collection pages sa likod na pwede nyong pagkolektan ng stamps all around Taiwan. Aside from the booklet, you can also download their app for your reference. To activate the free eSIM naman, simply go to your Klook app and activate it. 5 gig for us is more than enough, and it's available for 30 days. Tip ko lang guys, if you purchase a Fun Pass, for example, for 2 people, make the purchase separately para you each get a free eSIM. Because if you purchase the 2 Fun Passes in one transaction, isang eSIM lang ang makukuha nyo. Know that the pass expires at 12 midnight for each day. Hindi siya 24 hours after you activate it. So regardless of what time na inactivate nyo, mag-expire pa din siya at 12 midnight. You can activate it by simply using it at any transpo or attraction covered by the pass. Gamitin mo lang to pang tap sa MRT, buses, or scan sa mga attractions. Walang pila, walang hassle. So ngayon, papakita ko yung itinerary namin and how much we paid for the pass versus how much our expenses could have been without the pass. Pwedeng mas malaki pa yung nasulit namin if on the first day we went to more attractions. Medyo may downtime kasi kami nun, kaya nag-Taipei 101 lang kami and the night market. Pero sulit pa din. On the second day, this was supposed to be our itinerary. Pero umulan ng malakas kaya we had to cancel our morning plans. Kaya naka-red. But you can still use this as a reference. Hindi ko na sinama yung third day because all I'm showing you is the itinerary when using the Fun Pass. As you can see, aside from the transportation and attractions, meron din silang freebies. Kaya don't forget to get them para sulit na sulit. Here's how much I spent for one Fun Pass and how much it could have been if hindi ko ginamit. Around 3K plus sana ang na-save namin if nag-push through kami on our morning plans on the second day. But still, with our actual itinerary, we saved a few hundred pesos. Sulit ba? Yes, especially if you plan your itinerary well, get your freebies, and you're the on-the-go type of person. Mas marami ka mapupuntahan, mas sulit. But if you're the laid-back type and prefer nyo mag-chill or have a slow-paced itinerary, I suggest use the Easy Card for transportation and purchase your tickets on the attractions. If you don't have the Klook app yet, check the link below and use my referral code so you can get a 250 peso promo code. Using promo codes is another tip para makamura kayo sa Fun Pass. And it can be used on any other purchase from Klook. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these.